What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do a herbal supplement review. Bars. I'm gonna do the review on Feel Free plant-based herbal supplement. It's by Botanic Tonics Plant Solutions. It is, in the whole bottle, there is 2,600 milligrams of kava root extract and kratom leaf. So I did half of it. It was about 10 minutes ago. So that's 1,300 milligrams of those. So we're gonna see how that makes me feel, and we're gonna do a review on it, and then in about that will happen in about like a half hour, and then I'll do a unbagging video for the Ipsy bag. You get, this is a monthly subscription box, or you can get it whenever you can, whatever month you want, just 1 month, and you get a whole bunch of girly stuff. You get makeup, skin products. You take a quiz, and you can actually, pick what kind of stuff you're most interested in, and what your skin tone is like, and how your skin reacts, what your skin needs, what makeup you need, what makeup you like. It's really cool. Discover yourself. So let's go do that in about a half hour. Hey, so it's been about 45 minutes and I feel pretty chill. I should have not drank that latte because I'm kind of like, but at the same time I'm like, like, I just cleaned my toilet, my shower, swept my bathroom, kitchen, and my room, all without music, and it's been like 45 minutes, and I've just been chilling, and I wasn't stressed out or anything, so that's really awesome. Usually like stressing when I'm cleaning, or like, oh, I need music or something like that, so it's pretty chill. Yeah, I'm gonna do the unbagging soon. Catch you in a bit. Tell me how I washed the argan oil that fell in the toilet, and then washed the toilet, and washed my hands, put away the argan oil, and then the argan oil falls in the toilet again. Man, oh man. So, it's been like an hour and a half since I took half of the herbal supplement drink. I'm trying to put this right here. So it's been in like an hour and a half since I took half of this, and I do feel free, honestly. Like, I have been cleaning my apartment for the last hour and a half, and I've been chilling. I've been like really happy about it. I highly recommend it. I don't know if it's the latte I had before, and taking it, but I feel energized to do stuff, but like, I'm still chilling. I'm having trouble finding words right now. Like, it feels really good to clean my apartment and make it look pretty and feel homey, and yeah. I'll get back to you shortly with the unbagging video. It's the Ipsy unbagging! Alright. Let's just rip this pretty pink bag open. Okay. So there is a smaller one inside, and the bag's in there. But I got this extra little thing. What? I didn't even know that either. Maybe it's a Christmas present because it's for December's. So this is December's Ipsy bag. I got Velvety Body Cream Coconut Colada by Refreshments. Velvety Body Cream. Coconut. I love that. That's awesome. Well, and that too. This is just very nice. Alright. And I think that was just a gift. That's so nice. Alright, it says, discover yourself, Ipsy. Alright, ready for the cute bag? Oh, shit. Alright. And then it's orange on that side, and it's soft. Oh, shit. It's so nice. It says, hooray. Hooray. Indeed. Are you guys ready? I'm not ready. Oh, my gosh. Alright. So what do we got? Juliet has a gun. Juliet has a gun. Isn't that a song? Johnny has a gun. Johnny has a gun. Juliet has a gun. Magnolia Bliss. What is this? Oh, it's a smell. It's a perfume. Flower Power, imagined and created by Romano Ricci, great-grandson of Nina Ricci. Magnolia Bliss is a refreshing and peaceful floral composition, twisted with a delicious note of a Maribel plum. The Flower Power spirit embodied in a fragrance. Okay, all right. I tend to be very flower powery, so that's freaking nice. This actually reminds me of someone. Reminds me of my sister Alyssa. Oh, it smells really good. That's really nice, and I like how it's so cute. Look at it. So shiny and slick and tiny, and you can fit it in your ear. No, I'm just kidding. You can fit it in your pocket, in your little purse. And Juliet has a gun. That's really cute. I like that. Okay. So that's one item. So what's this? Treat yourself. Just a little December little message with things that are happening. Okay, what is this? Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Safe for sensitive skin. That's good, because sometimes I'm kind of sensitive to things. Ooh. Is it for apply to face and neck daily in the AM and PM? Use alone or over a serum. This is that. How do people usually do this? There you go, like that, and then focus. Well, you don't need to read the words. I just read them. But I'm excited for this because when you take the quiz, you get to put in if you want more skincare products or if you want more makeup. And so this is what one of the things I really wanted is something to repair my bags and my wrinkles and stuff. So that's good. I'm glad I got that. So what's this? Sophia and Maybell Too Pretty highlighter and blush duo. Okay. Highlighter and blush duo. I don't really use highlighter that much or at all. I like it. I don't know if I would use it though. I feel like I didn't put it on the quiz that I would be interested in this, but you know, it's just one of those things that that happen. You know, it's very, very nice. Let me see what this highlighter looks like because it's not showing you very well. Okay, it's like very it's not that pigmented. The lighting's not very well in here. Let's see. I'll pull up another video. I'll slide in another video with what the highlighter and blush look like. That's that. There's only one more thing in here. Ah! Rose Tea Eye Cream. Yeah. It's by Tea Time by Ro, New York. It's supposed to brighten, depuff, and firm. I really need this, as you can see. I really need it. And it's so cute. Cute little pink bottle. Not that much, but like it's good to try. It's good to see if it works and if you like it, and you can always get a big bottle after and get to try it out because a lot of eye creams haven't worked for me. So that is all she wrote, ladies and gents. Probably most of the ladies. Well, so let's see. So we got the perfume, the Flower Power. We got the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream for the whole face and neck. We got the under eye cream. And it's supposed to brighten, depuff, and firm. And we got the Too Pretty combo. And the Velvety Body Cream. I'm gonna smell this. Oh, it's gotta undo the thing. Ooh. Ooh. That smells so good. Oh. Yeah, I want to smell like that. I usually don't like body cream, but this smells so good. And it seems like it's really nice. Ooh. You know, I really need to use body lotion and cream more. Oh, it feels so nice. So this always vegan and free of parabens. So I really like this part of it. It's always vegan, free of parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, formulated without gluten and nut allergens. Our skin-friendly products are cruelty-free and clinically allergy and dermatologist tested. Cool, and the bottle's made from 30% post-consumer recycled plastic. Cool. So I think all in all, they did a pretty good job. How much was it? It was what, $15?